Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the fastest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code and let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we are able to enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. As I said, using the settings, it will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work in your case. So you can enter the settings then, tap on About Phone, and here we have to enter all specs. Now let's scroll down in order to find the status. And as you can see, after scrolling down a little bit again, here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and in order to check the serial number we have to tap on the model, and the serial number will appear right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.